So you guys, I made tonight, even though I'm extremely exhausted, I made paleo tuna pasta salad. So what is in this is these Banza elbow noodles made from chickpeas. I'm sorry about the lighting, you guys. I just don't feel like turning on any other lighting. And then this basically Whole30 paleo avocado oil mayonnaise. These are the ingredients right here: avocado oil, organic eggs, yolks, vinegar, sea salt, rosemary, and that's it. And then what are in these is chickpeas, tapioca, pea protein, xanthan gum. And then I put a little bit of, like a tiny bit of mustard, maybe like a teaspoon, some bell pepper, and I totally forgot the egg, so they are on the stove. So I'm gonna wait till those to get done to finish. But yeah, I made tuna pasta salad tonight. I put onion powder, garlic powder, white pepper, black pepper, lemon pepper, a little bit of slap your mama, and smoked paprika. So yeah, it tastes good without the egg, but I just feel like the egg gives it that pizzazz. So I'm gonna wrap this up until the eggs are done and then go from there. Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to another day in the life or week in the life. I am extremely exhausted. I have been, well, this week I worked almost 60 hours in this 1 week alone at my job. And, child, I don't know. It was a struggle. It's not even morning anymore. Let me see, what time is it? Oh yes it is. It's 10:41. I don't have any more lemons, so I can't even do my lemon water this morning. I didn't have time to do anything. I barely had time to go to the credit union yesterday. I didn't have time to go grocery shopping. I didn't have really time to cook. I think I did on Monday, which you all saw. That's the only time I picked up the camera, and that was at like 8 or something. I don't know, when I made tuna pasta salad. I am on the struggle bus, okay? It took forever in a day to try to get up, and my body is just tired. I promise you, I still need to clean up from last night. So let me show you. This is the chaos from last night. I did makeup and I have to clean it up. I have to clean off my brushes, just put everything up and away, and Lysol my chair. Doesn't matter if I know the person or whatever. I just want people to feel comfortable coming to me, so I will Lysol down my chair and of course clean off. This is 99% proof alcohol. I don't know if you can see that, and then so is this bad boy right here. And then I have barbicide mixed with water. So we're going to do that and some Lysol. Well, I'm going to Lysol down the chair. I usually just go around the house actually and Lysol every doorknob we touch and stuff like that, because that's just me. So I got to do that. I might as well make some coffee or something. Oh goodness. Oh no. Mama always tried to make sure we was equal. Well, as far as that goes, but when I actually got older, no. That was never the case. Never the case. Not never. It's been some years. It's been some years. So it is Sunday. I'm not sure if I came on here today, but it is Sunday. It's later in the day, or late in the day, and I'm hungry, but I've been so like tired this weekend, so I kind of like slept and slept and slept, and my hair is still drying. So I'm in a dilemma. Like, I tried these things out and my hair is still drying, unfortunately. So there's nothing I can do. I can't go in there with just flexi rods in my head, and then it's, you know, a situation going in there with freaking a bonnet on. But I have to do what I gotta do right now. I don't want to, but I gotta do what I gotta do. I need to like pick up something quick to eat before going into the store. But I'm gonna go into the store and I will take you all with me. I'm trying not to go in there and pick up everything, because then that's when you buy more than you need to. So, but I need to get back into cooking. Last week, last week was a 60-hour week, and I can't do it. I'm so tired. But come on with me.